beka me hwene yem pack me first aid kit for vacation. Na mo say me kita nkwala nti anytime ye be call vacation or anytime ye be call anywhere outside of our house, you know, I mean say ye better or say return trip. I always try to take a first aid with me, especially me kita nkwala, if not for me kwampo nkwala no. Nti no, we are going for summer vacation and this is the first aid kit mefa. Nti me was a bag way. This is sponge bag. Mefa bibia fancy bia. A simple bag. This way which me will make a bag to your sponge bag. Very simple. Very simple. Na a set na mafa back on inside. So something very simple. And on this trip, you know, ne here me pa Noroflex. We for nkwala. Active ingredient we no ibuprofen. For nkwala from 6 months to 12 years. Into no ade wom omo atrese na akwala bia no age bia no wode bema no nti we na mefa from kwala no in case say omunya fever and assess omunya omuti omuya and any kind of pains bia and na me de mo mo afi na me wo me fever thermometer ya me pe we no because when we the measure we nya accurate me wo infrared one the fa omo so ni bi but me prefer we no because we no me the measure me nya the accurate body temperature no. I always measure to make sure that they really have fever and sana mama omo edru and I say like before I intervene. That one so me fa be panting say in case omo kopra and mo ko wotre omo nan ho we for a fencing for a crow into no mo kopra we na me de be ya mo be panting na tia no ewia no abo into no ama insects nya ade wo honum into no in case yakoba na say insect bi koka omo a we na me de be so we against itchiness in se bana say insect bi ka omo say ewia no bona insect bi ka omo a omo titebo se ho na ekoko afi na ehwo na ba be really swollen into no I have this one to prevent insects before we to prevent insects because if anybody the insects are everywhere. Into a spray and me shake here with the spray omo anapa asan ye pia bontin and after so enwumbre omo kwakoda no me the spray omo 2 times a day and we so a gels in case na say with way no crampo no kobana say insect be because you can probably miss some of the body parts into kobana say insect e ka omo a we na me use we boa e ma wo the insect come na wo the ho no gel wo the ho na say e coolly place na insect aka omo no se na ebe ya ebe bre ano no ase na enko kika omo ana se enko area no enko irritate omo no mo nkotiti na ho na enko asuole nti we na me use your mo friend no Fenestil when the sign of my friend is what I take. I also take plaster, of course, because my last one is say the big crabby crown posting and some will catch us up a plaster. Into plaster the baby could be no me fabi, yeah. Plaster so me fa I can say water resistant plaster very important. And I did one thing I miss also fabio where for me enemy pain for where you maintain and I say Novalgin, we say active ingredients, ibuprofen, for pains, headache, pains. Anything we say a very good. We see anything. Me and if I they say before way, and as it depend the severeness of the pain, and see the way, and I say we and for me enemy. Another thing, so me fa a cold pack. Me was how many ones we were honum. Me took me person me carry big ones and some mini ones here. Me kwana do your hotel bia me kode bia na bebe me koda na just throw it in the fridge. Se bana say bia na obi pra and so baby swollen. I just take this one. Anything that will need a cool pack no, I just take this one and I just put it at the place to so that the swelling will go down. So this is what I take my cooling pack. I just have this one. I have 3, so I'll just go and get the rest and add it to it and then take it with me. Another thing now. Yes, and so FIA we activated chocolate omo aye in pills. Very good for so we mu ehwie and I say anything food poison poisonous we come mu biano food poison biano and I say it's omo yem ehwie. This is very good at least you bet me the way handle your and send your baby do your crew me doctor and I say biana and send let's say that it happens in the night and send your doctor no and active chocolate it's very good to always have it at hand even say won too kwan krampona good say ubenya e wo fie any substance very poisonous, you can always use this one as a first aid at hands. A very, very good for so we so any the first aid intervention things me fa for the whole family. Me pacho adibia wa we mu bia no, I have used it before and I know how to use it. So when you are not sure what to take with you, talk to your doctor. Catch up with doctor say, oh, me too quite akokro so krobia ne what is there? Ebia me kwa ha say, medin da do say, what can I take with me for me and I say nkwala no. Say na be your more something to take with you. Na kwa e be ya so akọ vacation so kwa kwaji oni. Na kwa yare e wo hono. E be tuma ban say wonsuo no wudum bia first day na 2 days na be for we yam and I say you don't know what is there. Enti me pa chow. Especially look at tankwala. Wo too quite akobe bia. If you baby come wo kwa sign cramp na. Try and take a sort of first aid with you in case of emergency. Ade ba ku bia mefa ka ho can say bandage. I was mefa dia ka ho in case of emergency. But mind you, ade bia o bag we mu bia no me use be that and I know how to use it. But when you sure me pacho, ask your doctor. Talk to your doctor. Say wo too kwan. De be kind of same. First aid kits and or best suggest very, very important so that you can enjoy your holidays and have fun. So wishing you all the best in this summer. Enjoy all your vacations. And please don't forget to subscribe. Have you subscribed? Have you? What are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like and share and support this channel. God bless you.